Hi guys, welcome back to Saving Salvage, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be getting the Q5 mobile. We're going to be driving it around, getting it on the ramp, looking around the car just to make sure there's no other hidden damage or anything like that, and then taking it for a quick test drive and hope that it's all okay, nothing more untoward than what we've already done. And then it's pretty much done, guys, already. So let's crack on and let's get that Q5 into the workshop. Right guys, I thought I'd just jump inside because it's very windy outside, so you're probably not going to be here. So you're probably not going to be able to hear me very well. I just want to pause the video there, guys, because today's video is sponsored by Pouch. Pouch is a completely free internet web browser extension that will automatically search the web for the best discount codes for the website you're on and automatically apply them at checkout. It will save you time and money as well, and it's all completely automatic. So even if you have another extensions installed, it is still worth downloading Pouch because it works on over 3,000 UK websites. So I'll show you an example, guys, on Eurocar parts. I've added 2 discs to my basket. You can see the total is just under £37. We'll go over to the checkout. Pouch automatically pops up with codes to try. Click try codes, and it will automatically go through all the codes, trying to find the best one, and then once it's found one, it will apply it. And in this case, look, we've found one for 52% off, which is epic. Click apply code, and as you can see, look, it's given you a grand total of 52% saving, which is literally really good. It's really easy to install, guys. All you've got to do is click on the link in my description, click add extension, it does it automatically, and as you can see there, look, it's already installed, literally 2 or 3 seconds. So there you go, guys, being free, it's a complete no-brainer. So click on the link in my description, download it today, and it will save you money going forward. Right, back to the video. I just thought I'd talk about more of the car actually, because I just realised in the last video I didn't really touch on what the car is, why I bought it. So this is a 2012 Q5 3-litre TDI S-Line Special Editions, it's down as officially. It's got a really good spec, which is one of the reasons I bought it. It's got the bigger anthracite wheels, it's got front and rear parking sensors, it's being a 3-litre TDI, it's automatically got quattro and automatic gearbox, it's got a panoramic sunroof, auto xenon headlights, it's got Bang & Olufsen sound system, it is also, what else have we got, cruise control, heated front seats, technology package. So it's a very nice spec'd car. Coupled with the fact that it's obviously a 3-litre TDI, which are rare and quite sought after. It's low mileage, it's only done 38,000 miles, which is very low for its age, and it's only got 1 previous owner. I'm not sure if it's 1 owner or 1 previous, making it 2 in total. It's either 1 or 2, I'm not sure, but again, it's very low. And the other reason is it's HPI clear, it's not been recorded. Yes, it was stolen, recovered, but that doesn't mean the car's written off. The car will only get written off if it's stolen and damaged. The car wasn't damaged, so that's why it's not been written off, guys. It's HPI clear, and therefore it's a very desirable car. The reason I bought it is because when I was looking through Copart, I saw it, I thought that's quite a nice car, it's got everything right about it. Stolen, recovered, I'm not bothered about that. So I saw this on there, going through Copart as I do every day. Saw this and I thought, okay, that's cheap at the moment. It's worth about, realistically, between 15 and 16 grand at a dealer. Probably 14.5 private sale, and it was down at 8 grand I think when I was looking at it, and it didn't have long left to bid. So I went on, I bid, a bid more. It went for more. I'll do a full cost breakdown when the car is all fixed, but it went for more than 8 grand. So I want it high bidder. But what I will do, guys, is a full video, standalone video on kind of advice for buying on Copart or Salvage Market or Syntec and stuff like that. Advice on what to look for, advice on what to definitely walk away from, kind of cars I go for, and just general things to look out for, really. But I will do a dedicated video on that, and I will talk you through the do's and don'ts in my opinion. So yeah guys, that is the Q5, that is the story behind it. So now, without further ado, we shall get her in the workshop, get it onto the ramp and check over the car, make sure it's all good. Nothing obvious, no damage for MOT purposes. So basically a pre-MOT check, and we will try and polish out as much of the bodywork as we can. Hopefully that won't need too much attention. Also, while I'm at it, a few of you guys were saying about the bumper, the rear bumper and the boot lid have been painted. It actually isn't the bumper and the boot lid have been painted. It's actually the offside rear quarter of the car where the fuel flap is. Someone's painted that and blended it into the rear door, but upon closer inspection they haven't even painted it the right colour. The car's Daytona grey and they've painted it sort of like a monsoon or a lava grey. It's a darker grey, it's not the right colour at all. So whoever did that is proper good at their job. So that will be done, that will be sprayed the correct colour and blended properly into the door and bumper. So that is on the to-do list, guys. Also waiting for a set of number plates. I've ordered them, they will be coming soon. So enough waffling, I've been going on quite a bit now, so let's get her into the workshop. So I have just checked and this is due an MOT. It was out of MOT a few months ago. So what we're going to do, while it's on the ramp, we're just going to do a full pre-MOT check just to make sure it will pass MOT. So we're just going to start with the offside front wheel as we've got it up halfway. Just check, make sure there's no free play in anything. Wheel bearings sound all good. All suspension components, to be fair, it does look pretty spotless under here. Everything looks fairly clean, again indicating the low mileage. Check the discs, not lipped at all. Pads, probably a good 70% remaining. Again, absolutely fine. Tyres, they're on about 6 mm tread, so they're absolutely fine. This corner, all good. Offside rear, again, same checks, check the wheel bearing. All good. Tyre is low, but it's, to be fair, it's probably still on about 4 mm, 4.5 mm. Suspension components looking all good from here. Discs, not lipped at all. Pads, I'd say more like 90% remaining, 85%. All look good this side. Near side front, tyre, yep, all good. Bearing, fine. Suspension components, spring not snapped. Again, suspension looks fairly clean. Pads, same as the other side, all fine. So last wheel, near side rear, again, same thing. Tyres, good, about 5-6 mm tread. Pads, same as the other side, again, all absolutely fine. So now that's the midsection done. The wheels, bearings, tyres. So now we're going to put it all up in the air. So guys, on the underside of the car, we'll start from the rear because I'm here. So again, we're looking at drive shaft, boots, making sure there's no holes in the boots and there's grease coming out, all looking good. Checking the anti-roll bar, just giving it a shake to see if you can feel any free play. Checking brake lines for any splits, all looking good. Checking the damper for any fluid leaks, all dry. Suspension, make sure the coil spring hasn't snapped, all good. Checking the exhaust, make sure it's secure and has no corrosion or holes in. That is also looking good. Make sure there's no oil leaks from the rear diff. Any suspension components you can see, just make sure the bushes aren't perished. Inner CV or inner drive shaft boots as well. Again on the offside rear, This is all looking absolutely spot on, no issues whatsoever, no leaks. So work further down the car, under tray secure, fuel tank secure. Yep, exhaust all good. Yep, all good. Prop shaft. Yep, all good. Under trays all good. Over to the front, and we have, again, there's nothing much I can do with suspension components here, because at the MOT they'll have a shaker plate which we'll be able to check for playing the ball joints, which I can't do very well. So, but with the low mileage it should be fine. Everything under here looks spot on anyway. CV boots, all absolutely fine on the front as well. Brake hoses, all good, not perished. Everything's very clean. Everything just looks spot on under here. There's no oil leaks, there's no oil residue anywhere whatsoever. So, this is a very, very nice car. So look at the back of the engine, you can see up there. No oil leaks at all. Right, as you can see here guys, this was the main bit of damage on the car. It's just this near side front bit here. So what I'm going to do is, I've just got my polisher out. I'm just going to see how much of this is going to polish off. So guys, 95% of that came out. All you can see there is that very small bit there. So that is not enough for me to worry about. So I'm happy that that's all come out nicely there, look guys. So I will have to do some little bit of realigning. I think where they've caught it's just popped out here and just misaligned a little bit. So what I will do is I will remove this and get that refitted properly as well. But happy with that, so that's that bit done. So let's now go to the back of the car where the others were. As you can see, we've got some scuffing here, which hopefully should polish out. It looks quite minor. And the other bit was down here as well, look guys. So I'm now gonna do the same method. There's a little bit on the top as well. So I'm just gonna try and polish all this out. So that's the rear bumper now all polished up as well. It's come out really well. The only bit that I haven't been able to get off is this little bit here, look, which is a chip. But again, that's not really worth smart repairing because it's so small, so I'll get a touch-up stick for that. It's at the bottom of the bumper as well, so you won't really see that. So a little bit of touch-up pen and that will pretty much disappear. And that is now the rear of the bumper done as well, guys. So that is all the bodywork pretty much done, guys. So what I'm going to do now quickly is just try and sort this corner out here. So I'm just going to raise it a little bit, just take off that inner wing, see if I can just pull this bumper back out and then fit it again properly, because as you can see, it's shifted over to the right, probably about 5 mil. So I've got it in the best as I could. It's not going to be perfect because it has had a little bit of a scrape here, nothing major, but I've got it, so it's in here now, it's in properly there. It's all bolted back in here, but as you can see, where it has just slightly had a little bit of damage here, it's just slightly knocked it off, and I can't get that back in properly. But it looks worse than it is on the ramp in the air, so that is absolutely fine. So we'll leave that as is, guys. So now we can bring it back on the ground and hopefully take it for a little drive. Guys, we just jumped in it.
Ladies.
Oh. Should make sure the aircon works while I'm here. That'd be an even better bonus. Right guys, I've just jumped in it, just left, and I'm just going to go on a very quick road test just to make sure it drives in a straight line, engine works in all the gears, it brakes evenly, etc. I'm fairly confident it will, because everything to this point has been absolutely fine. So yeah, pulls very nice, as expected. Brakes nice and evenly. No noises at all, no knocking noises or anything. Aircon works, beautiful because it's hot. completely silent, really nice, really nice. This is actually a really nice car. I'm very happy with this purchase, if I do say so myself. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Really pleased with the progress we've made with the Q5. Luckily, it all looks absolutely perfect from underneath. There's nothing untoward. I did fit a mirror glass and I did record it, but for some reason my camera decided not to keep the footage, so luckily it was only a couple of second job anyway. So a mirror glass has been fitted. We've managed to get most of the bodywork stuff out, so we just need to go to the body shop for that rear quarter to be done and blended into the doors properly, and then we can get it back, get the plates fitted and ship it off to MOT, and that car is pretty much done, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and if you do enjoy these videos, please do like and subscribe. A few of you asking about the Polo. I am still trying to source an interior for it. I have found a 3-door interior, but I am still trying to find a 5-door one, but there's none about at the minute. So I might have to end up getting a 3-door one, but we shall see. So I'm still on the hunt for an interior, so please bear with the Polo. So as always guys, thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video.